Luscombe Suzuki Leeds are pleased to offer for sale YL17 WSE. It's a 1.6 SZ-T Suzuki Vitara. The car's finished in Savannah Ivory Metallic. The car is two-tone, so it has a black roof and is equipped with 17-inch black alloys. It's also got the side mouldings and the rear spoiler. Looking inside the car, it's finished in cloth with the touchscreen entertainment system, which includes sat-nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth audio streaming and smartphone link. The car has speed limiter and cruise control and rear tinted windows. The car will come with balance of manufacturer's warranty. But Luscombe Suzuki service all cars before they go to the new owners, so the car will come fully serviced. Fantastic example of the 1.6 Vitara. So thank you for watching.